Thank you. Turismo. Viper. Let me get a little action. Hey. Hey. Classic. Definitely got some good footage. Classics, the old schools, the new schools, hypercars. Well, don't quote me on hyper. I ain't seen too many. My apologies. How you doing? All right. But I got the sailboats in the background. You know what I'm saying? It's a beautiful day. McLaren. That's how you come through. That's how you come through. I like that too, though. Yes, sir.
I can see the whole city from this balcony.
Whoa! Yes, sir. Had to get it and admire by it. I think I got that one already. That's what I want to see. At least till I get me one. Yes, sir. Wow. McLaren.
Like 600 behind me.
That's it.
What do you post on?
YouTube.
Find me on TikTok. Punk ass white girl.
Bet. Whoa, what's happening, bro? How y'all doing, man? Good to see you, bro. Wish you'd have had another drink for me. What up, fellas? Yeah. Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Already.
And then you make your connections from there.
That's a fact. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Looks like it's 620 and 720.
That's it right there.
Know that ass like it's fourth down. In the gym 2 years, you forced now. Yeah, these niggas always tryna get a course now. Yeah, said I'm bitch pipe.